It's clearly pouring down right now. It's raining so hard. Hold up. Let me get my camera out. Look. We're literally in a tropical storm. Can y'all please like? Can you please like and subscribe to help me out with this thing?
No, no. I mean, people are
it's raining.
They're either at work or they're at home.
They said, Google said there will be like tornadoes and flash flood. I don't think that's gonna happen, but this is crazy.
No, it's not true. This is not a regular holiday. This is not a holiday that people are. Some companies are like they work all kinds of
It's raining over here the most. But on the left side, it's barely even raining.
Not according to the president of the United States.
Look at that. Look at that. You can't even see in the distance over there. See, like...
Oh, it's already open.
These cars. You can see the distance. But first, one thing is...
Yeah, I heard it.
We're gonna look inside on you. Okay, but anyways, look at this. Oh.
People that actually care about country showed up and
nope.
Definitely bigger than what the racist.
Sorry.
Racist
see? It is raining. Oh. It is raining badly. Can y'all please like and subscribe?
Oh, how I miss it.
Please.